In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, open Settings and scroll to click on this section, Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then choose Open under Google and tap on Google Password Manager. Now, if you can't add any password, that means that you never added one before and you need at least one to add them manually. To fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on, and then leave Settings opened in the background. Simply log in to any app or any website that requires an account and wait for the pop-up. When it shows, select Save and go back. This way you will get your first password here, and with it add password option. Now tap on it and add any other one manually by inputting any website at the top or tapping on Select App to click on a chosen one. Enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!